This is Engage New York, Module 2, Lesson 22. Read the objective as I read it out loud. I can divide 3 and 4-digit dividends by 2-digit divisors, resulting in 2 and 3-digit quotients. Reasoning about the decomposition of successive remainders in each place value. So it's exactly what we've been doing, but we're just making our dividend inside the house a little bit bigger. And we're making our divisor, we're going to start with 2, instead of 1 digit on the outside, we're going 2 digits. All right, but before we get started with our concept development, we're going to go through and have some fluency practice. We're going to divide decimals. So quickly, you're going to just go through and divide, use what you know. Group count by multi-digit numbers. So remember my strategy that I used before. You just keep adding. It's like multiplication is repeated addition, right? It's just like using that skill. Then on the back, you are going to use what you know about divide by 2. You're going to estimate, solve it really quick, and check your answer. And lastly, your application problem is Xenia's baby sister weighed 132 ounces at birth. How much did his sister weigh in pounds and ounces? And remember, how many ounces are in 1 pound?
16.
16 ounces equals 1 pound, right? Okay, so are you ready to get started? All right. Go ahead and begin. We'll come back and debrief in 5 minutes. See how far you can get. Okay, let's regroup. Let's debrief. Yes, sir.
You do know you're recording.
Okay, here we go. All right, let's debrief. 6 hundredths divided by 2 is 3 hundredths. 6 tens divided by 2 is 3 tens. 6 ones divided by 2 are 3 ones. 6 tenths divided by 2 is 3 tenths. 8 thousandths divided by 2 is 4,000 or thousands. 8 ones divided by 2 is 4 ones. 8 tenths divided by 2 is 4 tenths. 8 hundredths divided by 2 is 4 hundredths. All right, everybody okay on that?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so remember, whatever you want to just carry this over. Okay? Okay, so just remember that little skill right there. All right, now group counting by multi-digit numbers, 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, etc., 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 all the way up to 99. 14, we have 14, 28, 42, 56, 70. If you added 14 more, it would be 84. And then 84 plus 14, 98. So then we come over here. And remember what I was trying to tell you is when you estimate over here, this number right here, when you're estimating, that's the number when you're coming over here to actually do the division. This is the number you want to try first. Okay, that is the number. Then you have remainder 23. So to come over and check your answer, you do 37 times 5 gives you 185. then 185 plus 23 should take you right on back to your original dividend. Everybody okay with that? You guys good?
Yeah, I did really good. I love it.
Okay, now we estimated again, got a 2. So now when I come over here and I do the actual solving of the number, I'm going to start with that 2. Then to come over here, I'm going to check my answer. 57 times 2 is 114. 114 plus 14, 128 takes me right back to my dividend. Then I have 640 divided by 80. I end up with an 8. So then when I come over here and I do the actual division, I'm going to start with that estimate. And it goes in evenly, which is quite nice. Then our application problem. We know that there are 16 ounces in 1 pound. So we're going to take 132 ounces and divide it by 16. We end up with 8 with a remainder of 4. So we have 8 pounds and 4 ounces. This would be a great quiz question. Just saying. All right, that ends our fluency. We will start with concept development. Come on back.